My name is Michael Mengo, born here in Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm here to open up, get to meet entrepreneurs who are as excited as I am about changing the world, and also just opening up and seeing what my limitations are as a person. That's what I'm expecting from today. And my experience so far has been amazing. I really feel that I've gone from 0 to 100. My knowledge base has grown, and the connections that I've made are much better because I found people who are on the same journey as I am. So that's something that has really excited me. Almost surpassed. Actually, my expectations were surpassed basically because when I came, I really didn't know where we were going. But after the sessions and actually talking to people, I'm actually seeing a difference in myself as an entrepreneur and where my journey is going to lead me. And that's definitely why I feel things are going to get even better from here. Actually, the only thing I would be critical of is just simply having more engaging activities. I've been to similar sessions before, and I find having a few games here and there tend to keep guys on their toes and help people, get a little bit more comfortable and more loose when it comes to it, yeah.